Vickard Intelligent Machinery Manufacturing is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of CNC machinery. The company has established a strong reputation for providing advanced valve manufacturing solutions across various industries. By integrating innovative technologies with a commitment to exceptional customer service, Vickard has gained widespread recognition among its clients. The company's equipment is widely used in valve manufacturing, water pump production, fire hydrant systems, automotive rear axle processing, and other precision-reliant sectors. The manufacturing process employs world-class machining tools and precision engineering techniques to ensure that each component conforms to exact design specifications. Furthermore, Vickard has implemented a full process quality inspection system that monitors every step from raw material storage to final delivery. Each machine undergoes rigorous performance tests to ensure consistent, reliable, and efficient operation. Committed to delivering high-value and cost-effective solutions, Vickard prioritizes customer needs and offers tailored machining systems. Its main products include CNC boring milling machine, drilling and tapping machine, valve processing machine, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, customized CNC machine. Guided by the principle of integrity-based, innovation-driven, Vickard emphasizes technological innovation and customer satisfaction. The company aims to become a leading brand in the CNC machinery industry, creating lasting value for its clients worldwide. Choose Vickard, where quality and value go hand in hand.